You ever just sit in a relationship and think, if I disappear tomorrow, they'd be fine? Like, they miss you for a week, maybe two, and then just move on.
Oh, yeah, that hits. I've had that thought. More than once, honestly.
Right? And it's terrifying because you can't just logic your way out of it. You can't tell yourself you're not replaceable and believe it. It goes deeper.
Welcome to Unfiltered Minds Uncut. I'm Riya.
I'm Alex, and today we're going there. Why do so many of us feel replaceable in the people we love most?
Not in a dramatic way, just quietly, like a constant low hum of, I'm not that special to them.
Okay, so I think the root of this isn't actually about your partner. It's about what you learned love felt like growing up.
Say more.
If the people who were supposed to love you unconditionally made you feel like you had to earn it, you grew up equating love with performance. So when your partner is just calm, not constantly reassuring you, you read that as they don't care.
Because love always felt like it had to be loud. If it wasn't all-consuming, it didn't count.
Exactly. That's where the replaceability feeling comes from. If they can exist without desperately needing me every second, I must not matter that much.
Which is backwards, right? Healthy love is actually calm, but we mistake calm for indifference.
And then you layer social media on top. You're watching highlight reels of other people being chosen every single day. Your brain starts doing comparison math without you even noticing. My partner didn't do that. Does that mean I'm worthless?
And you know it's curated. You know that, and it still gets in.
Still gets in. Because it's pattern recognition, not logic.
So what do we do with it? Because I feel like people hear it's your attachment style and just think, great, I'm broken.
It's not about being broken. It's about catching the old story when it starts playing. They didn't text back fast enough, they must not care loop. Just pause and ask, is this actually happening or is this familiar?
The old story, because honestly, it wasn't even your story to begin with. It was handed to you.
And you have to start building your sense of worth outside the relationship, not as a backup plan. Just because you're a whole person whether someone chooses you or not.
That's hard to sit with. We're wired to want to be chosen. Does stopping the need for validation mean caring less?
No, it means you finally started caring about yourself. And weirdly, that's when relationships actually feel safer, when you're not white-knuckling the connection the whole time.
The people who feel the most replaceable are often the ones giving the most. So busy being everything to someone else, they forget to ask, is this person actually showing up for me?
And the fear of being replaceable makes us shrink, become more easy, more low maintenance, until one day you realize you've made yourself so small, there's barely anything left.
The feeling of being replaceable is less about whether you are and more about whether you've been taught to see your own value.
And that takes time, but even just noticing it, oh, I'm doing the thing again, that's already movement.
Real movement, not the Instagram post kind.
Never the Instagram post kind.
If this resonated with you, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Be honest with yourself tonight, especially if it's uncomfortable.
We'll be back. Take care of yourselves.